Navigating the world of decentralized finance starts with a secure wallet. The Beam wallet is your gateway to confidential DeFi and crypto, ensuring your transactions remain private. We'll show you exactly how to get your wallet set up and ready to go. First, you need to download and install the official Beam wallet for your desktop or mobile device. Once installed, launch the application. On the main screen, click Create New Wallet. The wallet will then generate your 12-word seed phrase. This is the master key to your funds. Grab a pen and paper, offline storage is crucial. Write down the 12 words precisely, in the exact order they appear. Never store this phrase digitally, screenshot it, or share it with anyone. If you lose your password or device, this phrase is the only way to restore your wallet and access your funds. Next, you will be prompted to verify your seed phrase. This step confirms you've recorded it correctly. Re-enter the words as requested. Now, set your wallet password. This is an extra layer of protection for your local device. Choose a strong, unique password, at least 10 characters with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols is recommended. The next step is to select your node connectivity mode. The integrated node is generally recommended, as it runs a node within your wallet for automatic, trusted blockchain verification. If you have a weaker device, you can choose random remote node. Finally, your wallet will begin to synchronize with the blockchain. This process may take a few minutes to complete as it downloads the latest network state. Once the synchronization is finished, congratulations! Your Beam wallet is set up and ready for you to send, receive, and securely manage your Beam coins and confidential assets. Always remember, keep that seed phrase safe.